Welcome. Have you ever thought that a simple math equation could actually tell a story? Well, today that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to become visual storytellers, learning how to take a rule and turn it into the clear, predictable story of a straight line. I know, it sounds like a weird riddle, right? But think about it for a second. Your allowance probably goes up by the same amount each week. And that leaky faucet? It loses water at a steady, constant drip. They both represent a predictable change, a pattern we can actually see. And that right there, that's our big idea for today. Taking these predictable patterns and making them visual. It's really the key to understanding what a linear relationship is all about.
Okay, so here's the official definition. A linear relationship is just a fancy way of saying there's a pattern where a change in one thing causes a consistent, predictable change in another. And the coolest part? When you map this pattern out, it always forms a perfect straight line. This super simple idea is the foundation for everything we're about to build.
Now, every good story needs a script, a set of rules to follow, right? Well, in math, that script is our equation. It's the blueprint that tells us exactly where our story is headed.
Let's start with a really simple one. Our rule is y is going to be whatever x is plus 3. That's it. This one little instruction is going to generate our entire story.
So, to bring this story to life, we need a cast of characters, or in our case, points on a graph. We find them by just picking a few values for x and using our rule to see what y becomes. For example, if we plug in -2 for x, y becomes 1. If we step it up and plug in -1 for x, y becomes 2. See? Each x gives us a partner y, and together, they give us the coordinates for our story's key moments.
All right, we've got our blueprint, and we've got our characters. Now it's time to put them on the stage, the coordinate plane, and watch our story unfold.
Okay, let's get our first point up there. We're starting with -2, 1. That just means we go to -2 on the horizontal x-axis and then up to 1 on the vertical y-axis. And boom, our first character is on the stage. Now for the next one, -1, 2. Let's place it on the graph. You can already start to see a direction emerging, can't you? A path is starting to form. And when we add our third point at 0, 3, that path becomes undeniable. These points aren't random at all. They're lining up perfectly, just like our rule told them to.
So, when we connect the dots, we get this, a perfect straight line. And this isn't just a line connecting a few points. It represents every single possible solution to our rule. Any point that follows y equals x plus 3 will land somewhere on this exact line. Pretty cool.
So, what's the story this line is telling us? Well, it's a simple story of steady growth. For every single step we take to the right on the x-axis, we take exactly one step up on the y-axis. It's simple, it's predictable, and it's constant.
Now that we know how to build one story, let's see what happens when we change the script. Because, as you're about to see, different rules, different equations create very different looking lines that tell completely different stories.
Okay, let's look at a new rule. Y equals -2x. Whoa, when we plot the points for this equation, the line goes down. This tells a story of decrease. For every one step we take to the right, we actually go down 2 steps.
And what about this one? The rule is just y equals 4. That's it. No matter what x is, y just stays the same. The story here is one of stability. No change whatsoever. It's just a flat, horizontal line.
So here's the crucial takeaway. We can tell the basic plot of the story just by looking at the line's direction. If it's going up from left to right, it's a story of increase. If it's going down, it's a story of decrease. And the steepness of that line, that just tells us how fast the change is happening.
So why does all this matter? I mean, why are we doing this? Because when we learn to graph a line, we're doing so much more than just connecting dots. We're learning how to see and decode the hidden patterns that are all around us.
And it always boils down to these 4 simple steps. You start with the rule, you make a table to find your points, you plot those points on the graph, and then you connect them to reveal the line. But the final and most important step is to look at that line and ask, what story is this telling me?
And this brings us to the ultimate shortcut. What if we could understand the story without even making a table? Check out this equation. Y equals 2x plus 1. The numbers in the rule itself tell us everything we need to know. That number at the end, the plus 1, that tells us where the story starts on the vertical y-axis. We call that the y-intercept. And the number multiplying x, the 2, that tells us the steepness and direction of the line. We call that the slope. It means for every 1 step to the right, the line goes up 2 steps. With just those 2 little pieces of info, we can instantly picture the entire line in our heads.
So we've seen that a straight line tells a story of constant, predictable change. But let's be real, the world isn't always so simple, is it? What happens when patterns speed up, slow down, or even curve? Well, that's where the stories start to get really interesting.